Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. Glad to have you here with me. On today's video, it's going to be kind of a little bit different. As I've mentioned before in a previous vlog, we are in the process of moving house. Now we haven't actually got anywhere yet, but I thought it would be a good idea to actually start packing up my makeup because I have a lot of it. So today we're going to pack away powders, highlighters and bronzers, or whatever's in that box. I have no idea because everything just gets thrown in. So I'm going to bring you along with me and we're going to do it together and we're going to pack it up together. Here's hoping. But before we get into it, kindly hit that like and subscribe button. I would love to have you here with me on my future journey for whatever that may bring. Yeah, so let's go. So this is my makeup area here, and as you can see, it's an absolute mess. Like everything just gets dropped, and I mean dropped, it gets dropped hot. So these are a lot of like products here, and I also have another little one over in the corner which I'll show you in a second, but for the most part we're going to be tackling this box here, which as you can see it's full, like literally full. So we're going to go through that one together. Okay, so I have just got a box here beside me, and oh god, I guess the only way to do this is to actually do it. Right, so we have got this Rude Cosmetics Baked highlighter, which I got for a video not that long ago. I'm not going to be using it anytime soon, so I'm going to put that in there as well. And I also have the bronzer to match it, so that's going. Maybe I'll do bronzers one side, highlighters the other. KVD Vegan Beauty. Well, this was just the KVD one back in the day. The Peony, I'm going to put that in as well. Some Lacura Aldi makeup, they're going to go in as well. MAC Studio Fix NW45. Hasn't even been swatched, but it's a great colour, and I think that's going to go too. MAC Oh Darling. That's going to go. Makeup Forever Pro Bronze Fusion. I'm trying to use that one up, so I'm not entirely sure. I might leave that one to one side. So this is Gerard Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Marilyn, and I've just noticed that it's broken, so I might keep that one out just to see if I can use some of it up. I also got the shade Lucy, which I have never actually used, so that one's going to go in. So this is Studio Select Water Weight in the shade Light Plus, which is a brilliant powder. I might actually keep that out. MAC Bayana. MAC, I don't know how you pronounce that word, but that's it there. Can you see it? Bronzer. I don't know how you pronounce this, but it's this bronzer anyhow, and I'm going to put that away because I never use it. Some Candy Wrapped. That's going to my MAC Matte Bronzer. Have I hit pan on that? No, I haven't, but I'm pretty close to hitting pan on this, so I might keep this one out as well. This is my MAC NW25. This one is so like used, so I might keep this one out just so that I can actually get rid of it properly. We'll try and finish that. This is MAC Bronze. I'm going to put that in for storage because I just never use it. This Gold Rush highlighter blusher thing is going. Maybelline Fit Me. I might actually keep this one out because I'm hitting pan on that. So MAC Soft and Gentle, it can go. Okay, so I decided I would change angles here because I'm finding it really difficult to maneuver stuff. So let's go. Maybelline City Bronzer, it can go. I'm being quite ruthless here. This MAC, what is it? Peaches, yeah, it can go. This one from the Beauty Guide Bronzer. I've hit pan on it, so yeah, we'll keep that one. Dark Deepest, I love this, but I've never used it, so we'll put that in. What's this one? Give Me Sun. Oh, I love this one too. Again, not very used because I have other ones, so yeah, we'll just see what we have here. This is, what's this one? Bashful Are We? That's discontinued. There is a lot in this, so this is going to be a longer video. Medium Tan, again from MAC, so it's a bronzer, it's a beautiful colour. God, there's a lot. I don't even know what this brand is, but it's going in. some Beauty Bay products that I got there just for Christmas. These are really nice as well, but again, I'm not doing like any freelance makeup for a while, so yeah, they may all go in. There's no point to me keeping them. NW15, which is like a super white powder. Anastasia Beverly Hills. Oh, I like that. I might keep that out actually. But I have the other one. Yeah, I'm putting that in. Blushers, these two. I like these two blushers, which are the Milani Luminoso and Dolce Pink. Yeah, Luminoso, yeah. I like these two, so I'm going to keep them out. I wouldn't mind actually hitting pan on a blusher. I don't think I've ever actually done that. This is a highlighter ball from Zara that I have for a very long time. I might keep that out as well, just to see if I can try and get use out of it. What else is down here? Some Avon powders from my days with Avon, but I'm trying to get rid of them. I'm putting them in for now anyway, just because I just don't have the space, time, nor patience with them. Ben Nye and what is this one? Revolution. Yeah, they're going to go in. Just because, well, I don't have space for anything. What's this one now? NC20 Max Studio Fix. I loved that colour. It's such a good colour. But again, I have the other one I'm trying to hit pan on. My NARS Orgasm. This one is absolutely bursted. But sure, look, it'll be fine. Will I keep it out? No, I'm putting it in. What's this one now? Raisin, beautiful. I think I have a few of them. What's this one? Where's our powder? This one is called Fairly Precious. Where's the light here? What's this one called? Yeah, Fairly Precious. Yep, that's still around, I think. Wet n Wild powder. Have I hit pan on that? No, it's a baked powder. That can go in. Bobbi Brown bronzer. Would you open this? Oh, the button. Beautiful bronzer, but it's barely been used, so that can go in. I'm going to keep this e.l.f. one out just because I'm trying to use it up. It's a cream blush and bronzer. It could be useful trying to get rid of that. Here's some more Beauty Bay. What's this one? Oh, Fawn. It's a beautiful colour. I love this highlighter. I bought this because I was doing a mermaid look years ago, but look at that. It's so beautiful. I've only ever used it the once. Story of my life with some of these makeup things. Again, another Avon thing. And another Avon thing. And this one is the Wet n Wild Precious Petals, which is exact dupe for Soft and Gentle. Beautiful colour. But again, rarely used. This one is called Fever. Love this one. And this one is called Melba. Beautiful for like medium, light to medium skin tones. This one's beautiful for like deeper to darker skin tones. So that is Fever and Melba. And again, they're both going in because I ain't got the space for them. I have no idea what that is. And that's another Avon thing, I think. Yeah. See, I used to work for Avon back in the day. And I used to have a lot of their stuff. NW20 MAC, maybe this is the one I've hit pan on. Oh no, but it's nearly there. But I'll leave it. I have another one. This is the Inglot. This, I don't know if they still do these. Sparkle Dust Face, Eyes and Body. It's just like a huge highlighter. Let me say. Look at that for sparkles. I bought this one for me and I bought another one for my sister. And you know, I don't think either of us have ever actually got through them. Now, let me see. This is a product called Egypt Wonder. I have this for donkeys, but it's a really nice bronzer, and I don't know if you can get it anymore. So I'm keeping that one. What's this one? Pearlescent Pink Wet n Wild. Put that away. I don't use it. Sleek. This was gifted to me from Sleek years ago when I did a job for them. Again, just use that one. Cream blush. I just think I swatched it just to see what colour it was. Otherwise, never used it. What's this one now? Oh, another Fever. Now, this is my hula, my mini hula, which is actually, it could depot itself. I might depot that, actually. Another e.l.f. I have no idea what this one is. It says Sunkissed, but it's like a glittery something, or it looks like a glittery bronzer, which I don't really like. Another MAC Copper Tone. Beautiful. MAC, love Cloud, love that colour. This is Bobbi Brown Peony. Now I believe these are now in a square, not in a circular fashion anymore, so this is quite old. But again, still does the trick. Love this, only got this a couple of months ago. Bobbi Brown highlighter palette, gorgeous. Had to get that for reminiscence reasons. Some pearls. I actually hate these so much. Bloody things, I can never get rid of them, but I might actually try. This one is a cream blusher that my brother got for me, and I actually love it. I've used it quite a bit, but clearly not enough. Let me see, how much have I left in it? Oh, that's not bad actually. Okay, I might keep that out. But I have the other cream blush to go through. I might put that in too then. No point in having two cream blushes, I'll never get through them. So these are more MAC ones in Dame. What's this one? Diva Don't Care. I'm not sure if you can still get Dame anymore. Diva Don't Care, I know you can't. That one's limited. And Hard to Get, which is a extra dimension one. Beautiful, beautiful blushers. No idea what that is. This is the LA Girl Pro Face Powder. What colour was this in? Warm Caramel. Such a nice colour. Now, this, I love this. My MAC, what was this one now? Oh no, there's no information on it. I can't remember what this was, but it was beautiful. It was for a Christmas collection a few years ago. Again, I'm going to put that in. This was my Ghost Sculpt from Revolution. I just needed a hell of a lot of black. Some e.l.f. setting powder, which I might actually keep out, funny enough. Oh, we're getting there. What's this one now? Spring Sheen from MAC. Oh, I love that one. It's like a glittery, let me see there. Slightly like pink shimmery. Peach shimmery rather. Really nice. You can't really see that there. The camera's shite. What's this one now? Ambering Rose. Love that as well, especially on like medium skin tones. So beautiful. Now, I love this blusher, but it's absolutely luminous. This is the Cynthia Rowley for Avon back in the day. Still have one. God, I'm getting rid of so much here. What is this? e.l.f. This is e.l.f. Toffee Bronzer. I would probably use that as an eyeshadow, to be fair. But I won't. It's going in the box. This Avon. Is this an Avon one? I think it is. Yeah, it is. Avon Bronzer. Oh, I have the other one. Put that away. This is supposed to be like an under eye setting powder from e.l.f. I might keep that out just to try and use it up. And what else over here? This star front cover thing. I used to just keep random eyeshadows. Actually, I might depot them. That's for depotting. And this MAC Lightscapade. I'm going to put that in as well because I have already a couple of highlighters out. And this one is called Film Noir. I love this one on darker skin tones. It's beautiful, especially the contour. So cool. But I'm going to have to put it away because I'm not doing freelance anymore. Well, not until I move. Then I figure my life out. So that was that done. That wasn't too bad. Now I have to go and clean this out. Yeah, on Ron Idicus. Who still has one of these on Ron Idicus? Do you remember? Jesus, I still have that. That was from Leaving Cert. It's amazing the rubbish you bring with you. So this is my box that's going to be put now. I'm going to sort it out properly, line them up, size order, and then I'm going to put some bubble wrap on them, and then that is that. That is done. Yeah, that is it. One box done, sort of, until I tackle another one. But this is all I'm keeping or decluttering. Or not really decluttering, I'm not decluttering them, but I'm either keeping them or I am depotting them. That's the word I'm looking for, depotting. And I'm going to put them into palettes just to minimise stuff. Yeah. So I've just depotted my Hoola bronzer and I put it in here with the rest of my Inglot MAC, more Inglot. And I've also depotted my Sephora ones, which I know I haven't showed you before, but I actually got these in America when I was in Sephora a couple of years ago. Again, as you can tell, they're barely touched. I never really use them, so I'm going to try and use them a little bit more in the next couple of months. And yeah, I'm going to depot a few more of these as well. Let's see how we go. So I actually forgot I had two more boxes in another drawer. So I have this one, which is all here, and I have this one here. So we're just going to go through these really quickly. All of the stuff in these boxes were gifted to me from MAC or wherever I was working at the time. I've just kept them all because, as I said, like, and as you can see, I have really a lot of makeup which doesn't get used. So let's go through this. I'm not going to go through lipsticks or anything else. I'm literally just looking for powders today, because that's what I'm doing, is just powders today. We can get, because I just want them all in one box. So this is the Hyper Real Glow from MAC. Beautiful. And again, I'm going to put that one in. I'm one of those people who keeps stocking up on things, especially like when it comes to primers and that. This is a bronzer. How do I open this now? Bronzer, highlighter, blusher trio from MAC. I think it was a Christmas collection a couple of years ago. Anybody knows me, I love my Christmas collections. Again, that's going into storage, and this is also going into storage, which is the MAC Iridescent powder in bronze gold, or golden bronze. Beautiful, beautiful powders. All right, they're all liquids, and they're not coming with me. I also have this Jeffree Star. It's the only thing I own, a Jeffree Star, because this stuff is so expensive. What colour is this? Oh, Dark Horse. Another one that's going to storage. All right, let's see what's in this one. What's that? That's Bobbi Brown. Okay, so mineralized blush in Like Me, Love Me. It's going out. Spare NW25. At least it's in its box. Another Oh Darling, because it's one of my favourite highlighters. Burgundy ×9 eyeshadow palette. That can go. What else is in here? Box cleanser, and the rest is all eyes and stuff. So yeah, that's just these ones. And again, all of these are going into storage. So this is my box. This is all I'm allowed to keep. Everything else is gone into a storage box, and I'm going to put some bubble wrap on it now in a second and tape it up, and then that'll be that. Gosh, so minimal. What's happened to me, guys? What's happened? That is my bronzers, powders, highlighters, blushers box done. I'm going to be doing another video in the next couple of weeks. I don't know what other section I'm going to take off. Oh, I swear moving is so stressful, and we haven't even found a place, like, honestly, but it's just the whole looking and that. Yeah, so that box is done. I'm going to bubble wrap that up and just put it away, get it ready for the storage unit. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I would love to have you here on my crazy journey of makeup, motherhood, house moving. I don't know, whatever else may bring. Thank you again so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Mwah.